Listen up, gentlemen. What if I revealed to you there's one underappreciated region on your body that might assist in reclaiming the self-assurance you assumed was lost forever? And no, I'm not referring to your penis. I'm not discussing any costly dietary supplement or grueling exercise regimen either. This concerns a concealed command hub within your body, a location most men seldom consider. Yet, when you activate it properly using merely a natural oil available at any retailer, it can result in firmer erections, enhanced sensitivity, and greater assurance in the bedroom. Remain engaged because by the conclusion of this presentation, you'll understand precisely where this region is, how to employ castor oil to stimulate it, and how to begin rejuvenating your energy this very evening. But initially, prior to delving deeper, press that like button, subscribe to the channel, and inform me in the comments from which location you're viewing. I truly enjoy observing men from across the globe, encouraging one another on this path. Here's the reality most fellows never learn. Erections aren't solely dependent on excitement. They're not merely about being in the appropriate mindset. An erection emerges from collaborative teamwork. Your brain, your vascular system, your hormonal balance, your neural pathways, and your pelvic floor musculature all coordinating in seamless unity. When you're in your youth, this group operates like a title-winning team. Blood circulates rapidly, testosterone levels are robust, nerves remain acute, and muscles secure everything firmly. But beyond age 50, certain team members begin to decelerate, blood vessels harden, complicating achieving complete circulation. Testosterone diminishes steadily annually. Nerve terminals grow less responsive, and your pelvic floor muscles, functioning as a valve to retain blood within the penis, forfeit some potency. The outcome: diminished, delayed, and unpredictable erections. But here's the misconception-shattering aspect. This downturn isn't the final chapter. Your physique is far more flexible than you imagine. With appropriate activation, even past 50, you can re-educate your mechanisms, awaken inactive roots, and regain a degree of capability you might have believed was irretrievable. I'm Dr. Rachel Collins. And over the last 7 years, I've collaborated intimately with men above 50, aiding them in reconstructing their self-esteem, reinstating normal operation, and rekindling closeness in their partnerships. I've witnessed directly how minor, organic methods can yield significant effects when they address the true underlying factors: circulation, neural responsiveness, and muscular power. One of the most straightforward yet frequently ignored instruments: castor oil application through massage. So why choose castor oil? This isn't a fad. It's backed by science. Castor oil includes a substance known as ricinoleic acid, which performs 3 critical functions that immediately aid sexual wellness. Number 3, combats swelling. Swelling generates rigidity and tightness in tissues. Castor oil assists those tissues in loosening and recovering, simplifying the passage of blood and impulses. Number 2, enhances circulation. When rubbed onto the skin, castor oil promotes expansion of blood vessels, enabling oxygen-laden blood to arrive at vital zones, particularly the tissues involved in erection. Number 1, stimulates the lymphatic network. Your lymphatic system serves as your body's sanitation team. By improving its efficiency, castor oil eliminates debris and poisons that could otherwise hinder healing and reactivity. Combined, these impacts render castor oil exceptionally effective when administered to the correct location. So, where exactly is this location? It's termed the perineum, the tender zone between your scrotum and your anus. It may seem unexpected, but this zone serves as a central hub for your sexual operations. Here's the explanation. Just below the exterior resides the bulbous spongiosum muscle, the innate mechanism that aids in capturing blood inside your penis to sustain rigidity. Extensions of the pudendal nerve traverse this area, transporting enjoyment signals between your brain and the region, and blood vessels here supply new oxygen-enriched blood straight to the erection-supporting tissues. When you rub castor oil into this point, you're doing more than surface friction. You're invigorating the precise networks that govern circulation, feeling, and stability. Here's precisely how to perform it. Prepare the zone. Ensure the perineum is cleansed and moisture-free. This facilitates profound oil absorption. Heat the oil. Measure 1 teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil. Warm it mildly by friction between your palms or placing the utensil in heated water. Adopt a relaxed posture. Lean back or lie flat to access the area effortlessly. Apply massage with moderate pressure. Employ gradual, consistent circular motions or linear strokes, working the oil into the perineum for 2 to 3 minutes. Apply sufficient depth to sense the underlying muscle, but avoid causing discomfort. Incorporate warmth. Following the massage, cover the area with a heated, moist cloth for 10 to 15 minutes. This enhances oil integration and further improves blood movement. Schedule. Perform this during the night when your system is relaxing. Throughout the night, your body can fully assimilate the advantages. What outcomes might you anticipate? Certain men notice effects in mere days, experiencing subtle heat, prickling, or heightened pelvic consciousness. For others, improvements accumulate slowly across 2 to 4 weeks, manifesting as more robust on erections, improved endurance, and increased self-reliance. The massage technique is potent, but it achieves optimal results when complemented by routine practices. Hydration. Consume adequate fluids to maintain smooth blood movement. Nourishment. Incorporate green vegetables and beets to elevate nitric oxide, along with beneficial lipids such as those in salmon and walnuts to bolster testosterone and vascular integrity. Pelvic floor training. Mild Kegel contractions reinforce the specific muscles that secure blood retention. Stress reduction. Anxiety-related chemicals constrict vessels and diminish interest. Practices like deep inhalation, strolls, or peaceful moments soothe your framework and prepare it for connection. Now I wish to interject and state this unequivocally. If you've been facing difficulties, it is not your responsibility. Aging introduces alterations beyond our command, but it doesn't signify your prime years are over. Your physique possesses remarkable recovery potential. It can rebound with proper guidance. Each individual's rhythm varies. Some experience swift changes, others progressive. Both are typical. And bear in mind, enhancing pelvic wellness frequently benefits additional aspects as well. Numerous men describe improved urinary regulation, reduced lower back strain, and an overall feeling of relaxation. So here's the key message for you today. Your body remains functional. Even beyond 50, it retains the capacity to mend, adjust, and astonish you. By providing it modest, regular attention such as this castor oil massage, you're not only pursuing improved erections, you're advancing toward ease, liberty, and assurance in your daily existence. Therefore, attempt this tonight. Have faith in the method. Maintain regularity. Your body understands how to react. You simply need to prompt it. This is Dr. Rachel Collins, and I have confidence in your capacity to revitalize and refresh yourself. If this proved useful, remember to like this presentation, subscribe for additional evidence-based men's wellness advice, and post in the comments how you're nurturing your energy today. Look after yourself and continue trusting in your resilience.